expression of gratitude to those who have trailblazed excellence, quietly yet powerfully, shaping lives, shaping schools, shaping communities across Bohol. And that's the reason why during the Pasidungog 2025 held at Marco Polo Hotel last December 16, 2025, SDO Bohol garnered the most outstanding division in Region 7. That is because of all of you. In a time of constant change and growing challenges, you, our dear awardees, choose not convenience, but commitment. Not complacency, but innovation. Not self-interest, but public service. Your stories remind us that excellence is not defined by position, but by impact. Impact on learners who dream. Impact on teachers who try to persevere. And impact on communities that believe in the power of education. This recognition that you are going to receive today affirms that your sacrifices matters. It validates your long hours, difficult decisions, and steadfast integrity. More importantly, it entrusts you with a greater role. My dear awardees, you will serve as a role model of purpose-driven service and guardians of excellence in DepEd Bohol. As we celebrate today, let us remember that Saludo is not an ending. It is a renewal of our vow to serve with deeper purpose and stronger resolve. May this moment ignite in all of us a renewed passion to lead with a heart, work with discipline, and serve with integrity. To our dear awardees and to every member of SDO Bohol, let us continue trailblazing excellence, not just for recognition, but for our dear learners. Not just for applause, but for impact. With purpose as our compass and commitment as our strength, let us move forward together, transforming honor into action and service into lasting legacy for the future of our Boholano learners. Before I end, please join me in this chant. If I say, saludo kami, your respond, responsaryo. Your respond will be sa mga Bulanon. So let us try. Saludo kami sa mga Bulanon. Sa mga Bulanon, saludo kami. Mabuhay and DepEd Bohol awardees, mabuhay ang mga naglilingkod ng may dangal at kahusayan. And with this, Abante Bohol, glory and honor to God. Thank you.